So now we're going to have a look at Steve, and Steve is a squirrel glider. Now squirrel gliders are a small type of gliding possum native to the east coast of Australia. Now he's called a squirrel glider because he has this layer of skin or a membrane between his wrists and his ankles, and he uses that to glide from tree to tree. Squirrel gliders have been known to be able to glide 50 to 90 metres from tree to tree. That's pretty remarkable, but it's also very handy because it means that he doesn't have to come to the ground. On the ground it's quite dangerous. There's lots of animals that might try eat him, such as cats, dogs and foxes. So being able to stay in the trees, that keeps him nice and safe. This species is generally found from dry to wet forests up the east coast of Australia. And in those trees, they'll huddle in a hollow log during the day and sleep, and then come out at night looking for food, making this animal nocturnal. Now if we have a bit of a look at Steve here, he's having a bit of a munch on a bit of corn at the moment. Obviously in the wild, he's not going to eat that. These guys will mainly eat little bugs they find up in the trees, caterpillars, moths, those sorts of things, as well as pollen, seed, sap, leaves, blossoms, all those sorts of things that he'll find in those trees. He also has this long tail here. Now that's very useful for a few reasons. Number one, it helps direct himself as he glides around. Number two, you notice it's prehensile. He can control it and wrap it around my finger here. So he'll use that to drag sticks and leaves around. He might drag them to his hollow log where they'll sleep during the day, and that helps keep them nice and warm. This particular species also spends times in groups, so they'll live together, they'll huddle up, keep each other warm during the day while they're sleeping, and all those sorts of things.